quick. I have to put this on the charger, and this is going to be the only chance I get at a unboxing. It's the Insta 360 1R, and so I have to open it up right now. Good luck to me on that. They make this packaging so hard to get. And I only have my man tools, fingernails. My wife complains that I have longer fingernails than she does, and men are not supposed to have long fingernails, but fingernails to a man are things like pliers and screwdrivers and tweezers and everything else, all in one tool. All right, plastic. There we go. Insta 360 1R Twin Edition. I got that right. And dun, 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 dun. That's what's in the box. Somebody on one of their, this is the part I need right here, the battery. Okay, somebody on one of their unboxing videos inaccurately said, or maybe in the box they had, I doubt it, said that they had the invisible selfie stick. I don't think the invisible, as far as I can see, I don't think the invisible selfie stick comes with it. All right, this is the part I'm after. The charger. Now let's get that going. Because you gotta get your batteries charged for. Okay, I think it looks like I have to put this together before I can do it. Because while this is the battery, it's not self-contained. Already doing it wrong. Here's the door I'm after, I do believe. Yeah, the charger. Seems like there's a gap in there. Oh. You turn off the train sounds. Bear with me, this is long and boring. It's the name of my blog. Okay, I think that's got it. Plug this in. And plug this in. Red light means it's charging, and I'll let it do its thing. Woohoo! Now I can wake. Oh, also what comes in the case, cover for the 360 mod, the frame, and something else. Wonder what this something else is. Oh, the 1/4-20 adapter. Oh, that is nice, actually. And it's nice and straight, built for a 360, which I've been wanting one of these. They don't make the straight ones. Although, I would much rather they just put the 1/4-20 on the bottom and give you an adapter to turn it into the GoPro connector. Anyway, that's it.
So, how does that look? I got it going, I think. Hey, how you doing? So, I am doing my dual camera dealio, testing the 1R and the 4K mod. And, no, that building is really pretty. I'm sure you can't see it. And I'm using my Osmo Action for my cab camera, and everything seems to be working okay. And the weather is nice and miserable. It's like early November as opposed to late October, but I don't know, October can be this way. And just on my way home from work. And later on, I have a doctor's appointment to see if the wear and tear and stress of life is getting to me, or the wear and tear and stress of the situation. Who knows? But other than that, here we are coming into Westport. Westport! The old town of Westport, the original Kansas City. And I think I figured out what I need to figure out so far. Is the first step of trying to get this working and figure it out and do everything I need to do. And then I go home and get my nap and whittle away at it some more then. So, woohoo!